We're going to talk about using our calculator to perform a numerical approximation for finding a limit, and we're going to look at the function, the limit as x approaches 1, x minus 1 divided by x squared minus 1. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is to go into our y equals and type in the function which we want to evaluate the limit at. So I want to type in the function x minus 1 divided by x squared minus 1. Be very careful that you put your denominator in parentheses. Okay, so we've entered the function. And once we've entered the function, we're going to go into our table set. And we're going to scroll down here to where the independent variable says auto. We're going to scroll over to ask, and we're going to hit enter, and then we're going to access our table by hitting second graph, and now we see a clear screen where we're allowed to input specific x values of our choosing, and they'll give us the y values. So for our case, we want to evaluate this at 0.5. Hit enter. Okay, the y value is 0.66667. 0.9, 0.99, 0.9999, etc., etc. Now it's important to keep in mind that the y1 actually truncates our decimal places, and if you want to see the full decimal representation to more than the 5 digits displayed, if you go and you highlight it, it'll show you to approximately 12 digits or so. Okay, so that's one way. A second way is, since we have the y1 entered into our y equals, we can also evaluate them in the following fashion. We can hit the vars. Okay, scroll over to y vars, into the function, and here we can call up the y1. So now we'll bring it out into the home screen, and parenthesis, and if we want to evaluate the function at any value, say we wanted to do it in this case at 1.01, you can hit enter, and that will also give us a decimal approximation. It's probably not as quick or as efficient as using your table and inputting values, but it's basically the same idea. Thank you.